Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5, English version, Math, Decimal Fractions chapter. Exercise 7b. Question number 8. Fill in the blanks. 2 divided by 1.6 equals to 2 divided by 16. They have multiplied 1.6 by what number? We know dividend. The first one is dividend and the second one is divisor. Dividend divided by divisor equals to quotient. Now if we multiply the divisor by any number, it's 10 or 100 or 1000, for example x, if we multiply divisor by x, we must multiply by same number the dividend also, otherwise value will change. So that value doesn't change, we have to multiply both by same number. Why we need to multiply? Sometime to solve the decimal fractions calculation, we need to multiply the divisor or dividend, and in that case always we have to remember that if we multiply divisor by any number, we have to multiply the dividend also by same number. Now we can also say dividend, we can say dividend divided by divisor multiplied by x. If we multiply divisor by x, then we have to multiply the dividend by x, and multiplying the dividend by x and multiplying the whole quantity by x is actually same. For example, 2/3, you multiply 2 by 10 and multiply 2 by 3 or 2/3 multiplied by 10 is same, no difference. So we can write dividend divided by divisor into multiplied by x into whole quantity multiplied by x is same. So now let us start with number 1, bracket 1. 2 divided by 1.6, 2 divided by 1.6 equals to, if we change it, they have changed it, 2 divided by 16, 2 divided by 16. So they multiplied 1.6 by 10. As we said, now we have to multiply the whole quantity by same number or by 10. So we have to write here, see here, fill in the blanks, multiply by 10 equals to. Now let us do the calculation. Divide 2 by 16. Because it is smaller, we need to convert it to decimal fraction. It's 2.0. Now start division. 16. Take one digit. It doesn't divide. Next digit. But before we take the next digit, there was a decimal point. Put decimal point here. Now divide. 16 into 1 is 16. Deduct is 4. Bring another 0, because decimal fraction we can always put extra digit or 0. Bring down this 0. 2 into 16, 32. 8, bring another 0, put another 0 and bring it down, 5, 0.125, 0.125. This is the result of this division, but there was multiplication and 10. We must not forget that. Now if we multiply a decimal fraction by 10, the decimal point moves one digit. So the result will be 1.25. The answer 1.25. The next, number 2, bracket. 3 divided by 0.25. 3 divided by 0.25 equals to 3 divided by 25. They have done 3 divided by 25. That means they have multiplied the divisor by 100. Now we have to multiply it, the whole quantity, by 100. Equals to, now do the division, divide 3 by 25. Divide 3 by 25. Because it is small, we convert it to decimal fraction. Consider the digit next to decimal point. We must put a decimal point here. So 25 into 1 is 25. 5. Bring 1 0 from here. 2. So 0.12 equals to 0.12 into 100 into, so result of 3 divided by 25 is 0.12, and there was multiplication and 100 equals to, now how many digits the decimal point will move towards right? 1 digit, 2 digits, so it will be 12. The answer is 12. Number 3, 5 divided by 0.125, 5 divided by 0.125 equals to, what they have written here, 5 divided by 125, 5 divided by 125. How 0.125 becomes 125? 0.125, if we multiply by 10, the decimal point moves one digit. If we multiply by 100, decimal point moves another digit. If we multiply by 1000, decimal point moves another digit. So this is 125, means they have multiplied by 1000. So we have to multiply the whole quantity by 1000 equals to, now what is the result or quotient of this division? Divide 5 by 125. Divide 5 by 125. So this is smaller than the divisor. Convert it to decimal fraction. Okay. Now still smaller. Put another 0. Doesn't make any change. Start division. 1 digit. It doesn't divide. 2 digit. Remember, before you take the digit next to decimal point. You must put the decimal point here. So take the next digit. It doesn't divide. So put a 0 here. Then consider the next digit. So 500. 4 into 125 is 500. 0.04. So 0.04. This is the quotient, and multiply by 1000 equals to. Now, because there are 3 zeros, we must have 3 digit here. 04. Put a 0. Doesn't make change to the value into 1000. Now we move the decimal point. Equals to, so 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, so it will be 40. Answer 40. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.